Hello. In this video, let me show you how you're going to use this feature, Forms, Policies and Events in LuitBiz HRM. So as the name suggests, there are three things that you can manage out here: forms, HR forms, company policies and company events. First, let's see HR forms. In this section, you can actually define new forms that can be filled out by your employees in LuitBiz ESS, and they can submit those forms via LuitBiz ESS, and everything becomes paperless. All forms are submitted online, so you don't need to print out anything and distribute paper forms. So to add a new form, click on this link, add new form. Name the form, say suppose it's called employee insurance information, and fill in the number of fields. Suppose in this field you want the name of the insurance company, the policy number and the preferred local hospital. Suppose you need three fields, and select the company with which this form will be attached, since LuitBiz supports multiple business units or multiple companies. Now proceed to step 2. In the second step, since you said 3 fields, so it's going to ask you, so you have to say insurance company name, and let it be a varchar field, so you'll get a small field like this. If you have text, then you get a huge field, and if it's a date field, then you can fill out a date. The employees will be able to fill out a date, and if it's a yes no field, then they'll be able to toggle between yes and no. So now suppose the next field is the policy number, and suppose that's also varchar because it's a small field, and say the last field is preferred local hospital with address. So let that be a large field, we call it a text field, and then we submit this form. So once you do so, and you go to view forms under HR forms, you will see that this particular form, employee insurance information, is added, and it has 3 fields. So now if you want, you can make modifications by clicking on edit form. If you want to add more fields to the form, click on add a field. But suppose everything is fine, you can just go ahead and publish this form. So once you publish this form will be available to the employees in the employee self-service or the ESS module, and they can fill out that form, and you can view the submissions of that form by clicking on this link. For example, there are few submissions of this particular form, so whatever the employee fills out on that form, you can view the submissions out there. So employees can submit this form as many times as they want, and you can manage all these employee information, all these employee forms out here right from your LuitBiz HRM module. Next, coming to company policies, you have a lot of company policies, and employees are probably not aware of all of them, and you have to keep on telling them the same policies over and over again. So what you can do here is you can add the company policies out here, put the name of the policy, company with which it is attached, put in the policy details, and the policy is applicable to whom. These are optional fields in the blue section. And if you have a policy document, you can upload it out here, and after you add the policy, you can view it out here in your HRM module, and employees can view these policies in the ESS module. So you don't need to keep on sending them the policies or printing them out and hanging them somewhere in the office or emailing the policies to the employees. They can directly log into LuitBiz ESS and view the company policies. Next, coming to events. When you're organizing an event for the company, you really don't need to send an email or hang paper posters in the company regarding the event. What you can do is you can just go here, click on add event, add the event name, date, related to company, start time, end time, start time, location, description, and if you have an event poster, you can actually upload it out here, and the employees can view this whole details from the ESS module, and you can view it from out here. So this saves you a lot of time and energy and a lot of paper. So this is how you're going to use this forms, policies and events features of LuitBiz HRM. Thank you for watching.